Welcome children in bio class. Children, I am going to explain you imbibition. Imbibition is initial intake of water by a dehydrated seed. There is adsorption of water by hydrophilic substances. Seed is covered by hard protective covering. It is impermeable to water, but it can absorb water by the process of imbibition. Its region is protective covering of the seed is made of cellulose, hemicellulose, or protein, and these substances have a strong affinity to the water. These substances are called hydrophilic substance. So they can adsorb the water. The dry plant material or seeds imbibes water and swell. The imbibitional force are so strong that they rupture the seed coat. So children, you have to learn the definition of imbibition. Imbibition is a phenomena by which living or dead plant cells absorb water by surface attraction. There are some factors which are affecting imbibition. In that, first one is water potential gradient between the surface of the adsorbent and the liquid imbibed. Second is affinity between the adsorbent and the imbibed liquid. Dry seeds imbibe water. Its reason is dry seeds satisfy both the conditions which are essential for the imbibition. So seed of the plants are taking the water by the process of imbibition.